one of the things, that I put into place was that we just put a little cut kit for if anybody got cut or, nicked anything while they were out in the field, that they could come up to the wash pack station where this is held. And there's some Band-Aids and Neosporin and things like that in there for them. And really, we're just trying to make sure that we're consistent with having a solution, because I didn't have any kind of solution before.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.